Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be checking out Scarborough, which is only 20 to 30 minutes away from downtown Toronto. It's also easily accessible by the TTC, so you can easily check it out. We'll be checking out some outdoorsy places by the waterfront and also a national park and some other parks as well. So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like, share and leave a comment below as well. Ready to go? Let's go.
Sticks and stones may break my bone, but your words can't hurt me. No, you just can't hurt me. No, I ain't been right more than I've been wrong, and it still can't hurt me. No, it just can't hurt me. No.
I've now come to Guild Park and Gardens, which is a beautiful park with walking trails, and also it's interspersed with architectural remnants from downtown Toronto from the late 19th century and early 20th century. So let's take a look and try to find some of these remnants.
No, you just can't hurt me. No, you just can't hurt me, no, no, no. I know it's hard to be polite, and it's easy being petty. My mama used to tell me, gotta use you when you ready.
So if you start walking to the left of the parking lot, there's a small trail which is all downhill, and then you reach this kind of path which takes you along the waterfront. I'm not going to do this whole path right now. I'm going to head back uphill to the garden, and I'm going to try to find some of these architectural pieces. So I think the architectural pieces are going to be to the right of the parking lot. Let's go back.
It's crazy how my brother said it could have been my cell. It's either prison or a grave, that's what everybody tell me. Man, life ain't a beach, it's a female dog. I'm staying 10 toes down, though I still might fall. Oh yeah, now I done came through, knocking pictures off you walls. Cause loving people who persecute you, it's still a tough be a light up on my path and a lamp under my feet.
I'm now at Port Union Waterfront Park, and as the name suggests, it's right by the waterfront. It has nice walking trails with this beautiful view, and I definitely think you should check it out.
I know my faith strong, but my flesh still kinda weak. When that victory be looking like the verge of defeat, and I feel that disrespect, help me turn my other cheek and say sticks and stones may break my bone.
I'm now at my final waterfront stop, which is Rouge Beach. So it's right here. However, I'm not gonna go in the sand because it's just rained and I'm not wearing the proper shoes. So I'm just gonna show you from here. This is Rouge Beach. It also has a nice walking trail next to it. So it's definitely a place that you can just come for a nice quiet walk.
No, no, no. No, you just can't hurt me. No, you just can't hurt me. No. See, it's hard to be polite. It's easy being petty. Mama used to tell me, gotta use you when you're ready. Cause I ain't working on my own timing. Ain't got no diamonds on me, but I stay shining. Yeah, yeah. They say the world would be a better place if we take out the hate.
Make sure you check out the Rouge National Urban Park, which is one of the only national urban parks in Ontario. It has one of the largest marsh areas in the region. It even has 11 walking trails of different difficulty levels, and some of the trails even walk beside the Rouge River with beautiful scenic views of the river and little bridges that cross the river. So make sure you check this out.
Stop all the hate right now.
Yeah, let's keep it real. It'd be better if we just subtract the fake.
All you fake
Yeah,
people.
so be a light up on my path and a lamp under my feet. I know my faith strong, but my flesh still kinda weak. When that victory be looking like the verge of defeat, and I feel that disrespect, help me turn my other cheek and say sticks and stones may break my bone, but your words can't hurt me. No, you just can't hurt me. No, I ain't been right more than I've been wrong, and it still can't hurt me. No, it just can't hurt me. No. No, you just can't hurt me. No, you just can't hurt me. No, no, no. Sticks and stones may can't hurt me. No, I ain't been right more than I've been wrong, and it still can't hurt me. No, it just can't hurt me. No. No, you just can't hurt me.
So that brings us to the end of my vlog. I hope you guys liked this one. Definitely check out Scarborough if you're in the area. Lots of nice outdoorsy things to do. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, share and leave a comment below as well. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. That's next week on Thursday. See you then. Stay safe.